As he stood silent, hands bound as a slave, in anger they called out his name. Kill him, they boldly proclaimed. In silence he took the whip and the pain, accepting his fate. He would die on that day, but he was not afraid, for he looked beyond the thorns and the nails. He could see you and I as we sit here today, sharing his name, what he did on that day. Forgiven and free, that is why he died, not because he was guilty, but because of mercy. He prayed for the man who wanted him dead. He died for the world so oppressed could be heard. Son of God, oh, I bow at your feet. I clearly see your love for me, painted on a hill and a tree. He died so that we might live, forgiven and free. As he hung naked, they smell his blood in the wind. His cross lifted high off the ground, they mocked him with thorns as a crown. He felt their hatred as they spat on his face, hanging alone against the tide of this world. Oh, he was alone. I am amazed. How could you take that blood-stained path of suffering and pain just so